In today's video, we'll talk about how to withdraw money from Bingx to your bank account. Now guys, please do keep in mind that this is in no way any type of financial advice. Any losses you incur here are fully your own responsibility. Now, the nice thing about Bingx is it has a peer-to-peer method. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top left-hand side of the screen and we want to click on P2P trading. Now, you'll be brought to this screen here. And make sure you are using USDT. So if you need to go and convert your funds, do that. Then we're going to click on sell. So we're going to sell our coins. You can enter the value over here. And then you can see all the people you can sell to down here, as well as being able to change the payment methods. So if you click on where it says all payments, you can select what specific payment methods you want to use. And once you click buy, you'll be able to set it up. One thing I would say to be careful of is this platform still seems to be very new. And you can see there are people here with 0 trades. So make sure to trade with someone who has actual trades. And this does look like some sort of verified badge over here. So I would say look for that as well. And then you can see the minimum and maximum amounts that they are willing to trade for and what transfers they are willing to make and what banks are supported. And when you find the one for you, just click on sell USDT. One thing to keep in mind with platforms like these is to make sure that you receive your funds before you release tokens to anybody on a peer-to-peer trading platform. Though Bingx will act as a mediator and will probably have its own warnings here. I have no funds, so I can't click in here. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.